Hi everyone, I'm just coming on to do a quick project share what I've been making. Apologies for the lighting, I am filming this quite late because we've been having quite a heat wave and it's only just bearable now to sit here at my craft desk, but I wanted to get this video done because tomorrow is my youngest son's last day and I wanted to show you what I've made. I'll just start here with these little backpacks that I've made. This is following a tutorial from Bambidearr, and I've just added a tag there, and I've used the collection called I Love School and just added a Velcro, and then I'm going to add chocolate to the backpack. So that one's for my eldest son, he's at high school. So I've made him this little card for him to write, and it says, "Education, the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world." And his form tutor is a maths teacher, so I really liked that. Then for my youngest daughter who's at primary school, I've made this backpack for her. I really love this collection. And here on the back I've got a tag. I'll leave Bambidearr's tutorial down below so that if anyone wants to see how this is made, it's such an easy, quick tutorial and very effective. I thought it was very cute for little thank you gifts for the teachers. And this is the card that I made for her teacher. And it says, "It takes a big heart to teach little minds." So she's going to be changing teacher with her being in primary school. Where my son he keeps the same teacher, but he just wants to say thank you because it's been such a tough year, obviously with the pandemic. And over here, as you can see, I've made 3 lots because my youngest, he's at nursery school. Some of you may or may not know that my youngest son is autistic. He has autism and other complex needs, and he's classed as non-verbal. And his nursery have been more than just a nursery. They have been my complete support system. He has stayed on at the nursery for another year. He's leaving at the age of 5. So he's off to a specialist school in September. So I just wanted to make something special and personal to the 3 people that are most in his life: the nursery manager, his Senko support and his key worker. So I made these little mini flower boxes, which I have the tutorial from Positively Papercraft, which I will also leave in the description box. And then just using some straws, and my son did his handprints, and I just put a little label to say "Love Theo" on there. So I've made 1 each, and then I'm just going to fill the top with some chocolates, which are currently in the fridge keeping cold. They probably will end up being melted if the heat is anything like it was today. I also made these 3 little mini albums to say thank you, and made them a little bit personal with pictures of my son through the ages. I mean, he started there when he was 2 years old and he's just grown up, and then at the back I've just put a real personal message. So again, similar, but all just you know, pictures that just represent his time with them. And yeah, I think they're gonna really miss him and we're gonna really miss them. So I just wanted to really make something special, and I did that mini album using a tutorial from my Helen Griffin Papercraft Society box. So thank you for watching this project share. If you like this video, please leave me a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you, bye.